Hi, cutie. You like it? I don't know if she likes it.
Tastes good? No? Come on. Yum. Mmm. Mmm. Oh, she's sucking on the spoon. Baby's first meal.
Oh, second.
First one doesn't count. Okay. Yum, 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 yum. Good, suck on it. You want it? Tastes good? What is mommy feeding me? What is this crap? Yum. She's sucking on the spoon. She's not like eating it. I mean, she's swallowing it. It's good. Yum, yum. I think this is a good thing.
I don't think that's a lot in there though, man. It's gonna take her probably 4 hours to eat that. At this speed.